Meanwhile, moving on, we shift focus right now to Lucknow. Time fast running out for Subrata Roy. The UP police have reached Sahara boss's residence and has left just about 10 minutes ago when they did not find him at Sahara city. But the search for Subrata Roy is currently on. He is wanted with an NBW. The arrest looks imminent. In his defense, Roy has moved the Supreme Court for cancellation of the non-bailable warrant against him. This after the Supreme Court on Wednesday had ordered his arrest following his failure to appear before it in a contempt case arising out of non-refund of rupees 20,000 crore to investors by two of his companies. It rejected Roy's plea to exempt him from personal appearance on the ground of ill health of his 92-year-old mother, who is said to be on the deathbed. Let's cut across at this point of time. Amir Haq joining us live from Sahara city. Amir, we do know the cops just a short while back left the premises stating that they could not trace Subrata Roy. But clearly, as we speak, Subrata Roy, a wanted man with an NBW to his name.
Well, absolutely, Preeti. Although it came in as a surprise to all of us here that to search Sahara Shri's premises, Subrata Roy's premises here in Sahara city, which is a 375-acre estate. There were only 5 policemen who had come in charge of the local police station, along with 4 police constables. That was what took the UP police to go behind Subrata Roy Sahara to arrest him and to in pursuance of the NBWs being issued by the Supreme Court of India. It looks on the face of it that the police and the state government is being very soft on Subrata Roy Sahara and not actually being going hot on the heels behind him.
That prompts me to my second question, Amir, because we did hear the SP of Gomti Nagar where he went on record to say that they searched every nook and corner of the residence of Sahara city and they could not find. How can 7 cops do that?
Well, yes, Preeti, it took them almost 2 hours for their search operation here, and that's what, as I said, it's a 375-acre estate, such a huge area right. to be for the UP police to search, and they just finished it within 2 hours, came outside and told the media that they couldn't find Subrata Roy Sahara over there. Yes, their family members were there. His ailing mother, who's being treated at the moment, is also at the moment inside the Sahara city, but no signs of Subrata Roy Sahara as yet.
All right. Appreciate you joining us, Amir Haq. All of this taking place in the foreground of Subrata Roy applying to the Supreme Court for cancellation of the non-bailable warrant. Continue to get you the latest updates from Lucknow. With that, slipping into a quick break to stay with us. News and updates continue on the other side.